If you guys don't already know, out of all the social media platforms, YouTube is the highest paying and the most stable. Just in 2024, YouTube paid out over $18 billion to its creators. And you'd be shocked to know that a lot of these channels are completely faceless. And they are making tens of thousands of dollars monthly. Even when I started my own YouTube automation channel, I started completely faceless. And this channel has generated me now millions of dollars. I've recently came across this channel called Fairy Tales and Stories for Kids, and I saw that they're getting millions of views posting these animated stories that are just based on popular movies and their own fairy tales with a voiceover behind them. So I went over to Social Blade and I searched for this channel just to see how much money they're making, and I saw this channel makes over $500,000 every year. And this is the money just from the views that these channels are getting. There are tons of other YouTube channels and accounts across social media just like this, racking up millions of views with the same type of animated story videos and making thousands of dollars monthly. And if they can do it, why can't you? I also love these fairy tale animated videos because they're so unique. And I used to love watching these when I was younger. You can start making videos just like this without having any animation skills, without showing your face, and you can completely automate this business model and income stream so you can start getting thousands of dollars monthly also from YouTube. So let me show you how you can start doing this too. With these skills that you're gonna learn today and by using the power of AI, it has never been easier to actually do this. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and educational videos just like this. Now let's get right into today's video. So we have two different ideas here. We can make spin-offs of movies that are already made, or we could start our own unique fairy tales. Or both. You could see they did both on their YouTube channel, and we're just using them as an example. I love to find channels to find inspiration from, not to blatantly just flat out copy because that's never gonna get you anywhere, but just to use them as an inspiration because obviously what they're doing is working. So if we wanna create new fairy tale videos like these, we need to first develop topics for these videos. And we're gonna work smarter and not harder for this. So let's use AI to help us create these. For anything YouTube or social media related, I do use Trend Assist AI. It's the best AI system to help you find trending ideas. So we're gonna use this and we're gonna just ask the Trend Assist AI, give me some unique fairy tale stories to create YouTube videos for kids. So now we have tons of video topics here. So just read through them and see if there's one certain one that stands out to you. While we're here, we're also gonna use AI to pick our channel name because we do need a new YouTube channel name. We're not gonna combine a bunch of niches together. So we're gonna develop a channel name by just asking it to give us one. And you can see now they've given us so many channels names. Just make sure, go on YouTube, just double check to make sure they're not taken. And then when we find one, we can use one of these. So now that we have some unique ideas for our videos, you have two options to actually create these animated videos. The first method is by combining 3 different websites online. You can create cute characters like this using Canva, animate those characters using this Meta AI tool called Animated Drawings, and generate an AI voiceover using 11 Labs, then combine and edit all of these manually together. Although this is the free method of doing it, and you can use this, it can take hours to create one video, and it will take you quite a lot of creativity to actually pull this together. The second method to making these animated videos is by using this platform called InVideo AI, which is so insane because you're actually able to create unique animated videos in minutes just by typing in one single text prompt, and this AI will create a full-blown animated video for you in minutes, just based on what prompt you give it. This is a brand new feature on the market, and no other platform really can do it like this one can. So let me show you how this works. And if you want to use this tool, I did put the link for it down in my description box below and in the top comment for you guys. So you can sign up with that link and let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to see is this box that asks you to type in a topic and instructions into the box. So now that we're here, we're going to ask AI to generate a 5-minute heartwarming story about a young fairy born without wings in a land where flying is everything. Through cleverness and kindness, she proves you don't need wings to soar. Use uplifting music in a magical village setting. And again, AI literally generated that for me. I am not creative enough to come up with that on my own. Now with the prompts, just remember to use something like this. Try to just take this prompt and make it your own, because the more detailed and specific your prompt is, the better that the AI is going to do to actually produce the video. Now that our video is done, let's see what the AI made for us. It is so crazy that this AI made this video so fast, and it's so adorable. We are coming for you, Pixar.
Upon a time, in a magical village nestled high in an ancient oak, there lived the tiniest, most wondrous creatures, fairies. And oh, how they loved to fly.
So under the preview of our video right here, there is this edit command box, and I'm going to show you how you can use this edit command box to make your videos even better. Because sometimes the videos will come out with like a voiceover that I feel like could be better, or maybe you want like the intro to be a little bit different. So that's how we're going to use this box. So for example, we can ask for the video to be more emotional and even add a lesson at the end of the video. So let's ask it and let's see what it comes up with. Even change the language of the video itself, but I would honestly stick to English since it's the most universal, and I feel like you just get the most benefit out of that. You can also completely alter the script and the videos by just going here and swapping these out with whatever you want.
So for example, say you want to swap out this clip of this cute little bird with a different animal. You're going to just select the clip that you want to change, and then you're going to click generative media to generate a new media for this selected clip. Just click on generate new media again. It's going to bring you to this box, and then you're just going to type in and describe what you want changed about that clip. Then just click generate a clip. We asked it to change it to a frog, and it did just that. Here's the video that it generated for us, and it's so cool how fast AI can do this for us. And if you scroll down here, you can see there are so many different clips that's already generated for us that we can swap out and use if we want to. So definitely go through here if you ever want to change anything. And there's already so much media you can use.
You can actually ask the AI to use your own voice. To get to the voice cloning tool, you can head back into the main video dashboard and then select clone your voice from here. Just click on add voice, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do in order for the tool to be able to clone your voice. So just go through that. This will only be available for you to use. The AI is not going to steal it. When we're done here, we're going to just call this voice number 1. So then if we come back to this edit command box and type in change voiceover to voice 1, it is now going to use my own voice.
The story truly begins. A tale of a little fairy who would teach us all that you don't need wings to soar.
When you're done with your video, you could just click download here, and you can now download, and we're gonna upload this to YouTube. And again, you can create these videos yourself using that first technique that I showed you, but you could see that this is much faster using this one single AI platform. So it's saving you a lot of your own time that you could be contributing to something else. Now, in video AI, you can try for free, but if you want to use their generative capabilities, like the animated capabilities that I just showed you, that's going to be this generative plan right here, which is a little bit more than usual. It's $96 a month. But again, it's creating footage that is completely original. It's not like stock footage. It's not like what we've sometimes used in other YouTube automation videos. So this is the one that I use now in order to create these really awesome animated videos. And if you're already an InVideo AI user, you can just go onto the add-on section to generate and get generative seconds. So after you download this video, you'll see it saved on your computer, and you can then just screenshot the best part of the video to get the thumbnail. So super easy. You could just, I'm on my MacBook laptop. So for me, when I screenshot something, I just click Shift Command 4 and I just drag it and screenshot this. And then you can jump on YouTube, you'll create the new channel if you haven't already, you'll upload the video and select this as the thumbnail. So now let's talk about how you're going to actually grow this YouTube channel. I always love to use short form content to help me grow my long form content. And this is another way you can make money as well. You can also use InVideo AI to generate short form content clips for you. Or you could just crop clips out of the long form content into shorts and funnel those viewers to the long actual video that's making more money for you. Just keep in mind that you always are gonna make more money from long form content, so the short form content should always be in the way of funneling to the long form content. So now that you have the strategies and knowledge to create long form content and short form content for your YouTube channel, you are now ready to start posting and growing your channel. If you didn't already know, this business model is referred to as YouTube automation, and I actually created an entire free course for YouTube automation on my YouTube channel. In this free course, I get way more in detail for you to actually be successful with YouTube automation. So definitely go and watch that free course because it's gonna really help you out with all these like little details that you might run into as you're growing your channel. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses, and all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this, and always be bringing you guys the best side hustle ideas. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieAndBiz, BaddieAndBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys all the best with your entrepreneurship journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone!